guys, let's learn A for apple, B for ball. Firstly, we mark color. Let's get start. Sky blue color, purple color, grey color, peach color, red color, parrot green color, pink color, orange color, blue color, green color, yellow color, black color, dark green color, brown color. A for ant. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Yellow color. A for apple. Red color. B for ball. Dark green color. C for cat. Brown color. D for dog. Pink color. E for elephant. Parrot green color. F for fish. Purple color. G for goat. Peach color. H for hen. Green color. I for ink. Sky blue color. J for joker. Orange color. K for kite. Pink color. L for lion. Yellow color. M for moon. Red color. N for nest. Parrot green color. O for owl. Purple color. P for parrot. Blue color. Q for quetzal. Dark green color. R for rose. Orange color. S for sunflower. Brown color. T for tiger. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.